Hi y'all! So what I want to do in this video is quickly run through a suggestion on how to approach writing this poem. So what I would do is first open up a tab with identity and open up a tab with our deepest fear. Now if you go back, you'll notice that in step 2 you've already chosen these words and lines that you like most from the poems. You'll find it number 2 and number 1 down here. So what I would do is copy and paste my favorite words and lines from this area and put it down here. So I'm going to check out this poem real quick and find out personally what lines I like best. I like the vast eternal sky, so I'm copying, doing Control C or right click C. I'm just going to throw it in here and figure out the order I want it in later. Also, I really like the repetition of I'd rather be, and that's in the example as well. So no shame in using that repetition. I think this sounds really nice. If I could stand alone. Okay, so right now I'm just kind of brainstorming and throwing lines every which way. That's totally okay. And I'm moving on to our deepest fear. I like this line, we're powerful beyond measure. I think that's very true. So copy it, Control C, and throw it here. I hope you guys are speeding up this video. I don't want it to drag on. I like the word manifest, which means to create through the power of your own mind. Let's get one more. I like the word liberates, to make free. In Spanish, libre. Okay, so now I have like my outline of what I want to do, and I'm gonna start creating my poem. Alright, so I'm going to try to just start writing my poem, and I'll move around these pre-chosen lines if I need to. I'm gonna write, I earnestly, that means honestly, believe we are powerful beyond measure. My own eyes manifest or create. My own eyes manifest sight. The vast eternal sky. Sun rises and sun sets. Liberate. They liberate. She, he liberates. Makes free the beauty within me. I don't like I'd rather be there, so I'm going to copy that, delete it, throw it in line 12. The beauty within me. Some say that I cannot be. Everything I want to be, but I'd rather be standing alone or with people that believe in me. Okay, and now I'm going to title this something. So I want to stand with people that believe in me. I'm going to title this Community. Okay, and finally I'm just going to change the font to make sure it all looks unified and pretty. change the highlight to none, change the text color to black, and we have ourselves a poem. And don't worry if you're not as quick as me. I am a creative writer, so that's why I'm a little bit quicker, but hopefully this process helped you a little bit to see.